Let's move to the next sheet, guys. Look at this. Sometime, when we work with Microsoft Excel and we want to take our data to some another database, then we need to padding with fixed zeros the codes which we have actually used in Microsoft Excel, but in the special softwares databases it uses fixed length code of accounts, and we can pad them like this, left B6, and we add these leading zeros. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 comma 10 is given. So the length is 10 and the format is like this. So whatever character computer find here, it inserted those character, and after those character it inserted the required zeros. For example, our total length is 10. So if we copy this and we paste value here, so we are going to count this. We'll find out that what is the total length. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. 10 is the length. It also taken the value which we have with us, and it inserted these zeros with the help of this left B6 and this format function comma 10. So left is also inserting to the zeros to the right, and the same way we can use the right function to insert some zeros in front of these figures. We can do it. Now next, if I, for example, if I write 0 here, if I write 0, and you can see that Microsoft Excel brought 10 zeros in front of this. For example, if I write here 12, and Microsoft Excel did it for us, but I don't want left here, I want it right. I will take right function, and when I click this, we can see that right B17 and comma 10. Is it working? Is it taking reference? Yes, B710. And I hope that the right function is not compatible with this, so we better go with left, and we will then search that how can we insert the leading zero from the right side. So till this point, we learn this with the left function we can insert the number of zeros to the left side of any figure. Let's move to the another sheet, guys. Here is a get currency format inside text string. Sometime it happens that here is the name of the person and here is the amount of sale, of earning, or salary, or whatever. But when we concatenate this figure, for example, like this, equal to CONCA, concatenate this figure, comma this figure, and close parenthesis and enter, what we got here, that you can see that it is a one word. So what we want here to insert here a quotation, colon, and quotation. We got here this. If we insert this, for example, comma, here is comma, and enter, we come to this result. Now how to get this currency format with the help of this text C comma, we will then use this formula. For example, look at this, B6 and this, and text C6 comma this format. B6 and colon. With the help of this we can get this position is in this unwritten formula. We can try comma to get this $sign 0 comma 0 0 0 quotation close, enter. This quotation is not shown here, quotation close, enter. Now see, it is not the formula which is in real is this one is working. We got concatenation here, but as I'll have to take experiment that when I give this format, how can it would be properly work with concatenate, and we are going to follow this formula because this is working correctly. The same this result, which is B6 like this, B6 and colon quotation close and text C6 comma this. We can use this text as a $sign as well in the next sheet. Let's move to the next sheet. So when we see a formula here, look at this, B7 and colon and $C7 comma 0. Same result has been achieved with the help of this $sign, and in the next sheet as we have done this with text C7 comma this. So I hope guys you would like this video and it would be helpful for you as we have done this the concatenate and ampersand. We have done the setting text to sentence case. We use upper, lower, proper, and then we use this modify formula with in the combination of upper, left, lower, right, and then we did this trim function, and after this we use these left, right, and mid function, and here we have extracted the character from the middle of the word with the help of the mid function. So we can see here that this result is achieved with the help of mid function with the combination of find. In the next sheet we have extracted the particular characters with the recognition of a particular character in the list of the data, and after this particular character we have then extract the rest of the character, which in this case we have given a range of 10,000. In the next we have substitute function. This apostrophe is was making problem. It was not happy with the proper, so we use this with the combination of substitute and proper together. So substitute function is here. Define the target text, the old text and the new text. And counting words in a cell, with the help of this formula we used len function with the combination of substitute function. Here we have used the AEC2 chart character char 10, which is giving us a line breaker or a line break. Yes, and here we use the trim and clean together in order to remove the unwanted spaces, and with the clean function we can delete and remove the unprintable symbols and characters. And here in the 22 sheet, padding with fixed zeros, this is we used with left function is we tested that it was not properly working with the right function, but we will sometime find out how to insert the zeros in Microsoft Excel in the left side, which Microsoft Excel do not like most of the time. If you like 0003, so what Microsoft Excel do that it delete the zeros to the left side. It delete it, so it needs at least value on the left side, and then it inserted the zero with the help of this formula. Whatever zero that we desired, we can insert with the help of this left formula. And in the next sheet we study that get currency format inside text string. We concatenate, we brought together these two, the figures in these two cells here, and as we have tested here that we were getting problem and the dollar sign was not coming with the currency, so we have used here the text function C6, and we then gave a format $0,000, and after this we have achieved the same result with, in place of this text we use the dollar sign, and then with the dollar sign we don't need this format at all. So if we see it here, we can see that. Okay, come here and you can see that B7, which is the reference here, B7, and the ampersand, and this colon, and then ampersand $C7, which is a concatenation, and a process of concatenation. But with this we have also achieved that if there is some currency or digital format, so we want it with the dollar sign. I hope guys you understand this, whatever we have studied in this session. You have any question, don't hesitate to ask me in comments, and all of you who are new and first time watching this video on my channel, I request you to subscribe the channel and press the bell button in order to get such useful videos in the future. Thank you for watching guys. Thank you. See you in my next video. Bye.